This seems the easiest way to explain everything that's happening. From the barrel at the bottom, the pipe goes into the condenser, up around the angle, and back down into the reclamation barrel. The T-junction here has the two flexible pipes on it. The one, this one by here, is the vent, which comes all the way up and ends by there, just along the flute outside the door. The other pipe comes up, goes right over the top, and usually ends up in that pipe there. I've disconnected it for now. The metal pipe comes up. It was disconnected by here and to the side of the machine when I first bought it, because the barrel used to be on the side. In this garage with no space, I've had to put it at the front, so I've made this little junction by here which goes around to the side. So basically it's exactly the same as it was. I disconnected it at the moment, but it's usually on there. The pipe work goes underneath, as it does with most machines. It comes out by here and goes into this T-junction by here. The T-junction goes up to the elbow and then into the pump. It also comes off onto this manifold where the oil comes into. The oil comes up to this T-junction, goes across another T, across another T, up to an elbow, which is where I think maybe losing a bit of the power. I've never used these other two valves, so I'm not sure exactly if I need them. After it gets into the pump, it comes up through there, past the valve, into the venturi, and then obviously into the machine. The venturi comes off, this pipe goes up over the top, and this just sucks in the methoxide. Obviously I got a side tuber there. Basically no point of this does it attach to the top anyway, except for the metal bar, the metal copper pipe that goes into the side of the tank. I'm not sure how right that is. Obviously with this other pipe coming down, it is just the waste water going back into the barrel. What I was thinking about doing today, this T-junction by here is practically dead level with the top of the box, so I could unsolder this T-junction, not much lighting here, turn it 90 degrees so that the base is down there and I've got a piece going across and a piece coming out this way. The piece going across will obviously go straight into this, which will be lower down, which will help it take that feed better through from the barrel. This other pipe, the other part of the T coming off then, will have this valve on, and I'll then shorten this pipe so that it's basically going from there to there, literally about 18 inches, 24 inches, and it'll basically mean that it's just pulling it through 24 inches of pipe and through a straight piece straight into the pump, which should make it come through a lot easier. The only difference this makes to this bit is that instead of being in through an elbow by here, it's through a T-piece, which will obviously be closed off with the valve when it's running, so it shouldn't affect the power of the pump that way. All I'm doing really is getting rid of that. What I also intend doing, because this pipe here has to be lengthened, because the pump's going to be lower, I'm going to start off with undo this bit by here at the top and put one straight piece from there, so that I'm bypassing the venturi and the valves altogether. It's basically going to be one straight pipe from here all the way up into the machine, and see how fast it fills up. If it fills up fast, then I know that the problem with this has to be from there to there, or that bit by there. That'll be what's left. If it doesn't work tidy, then I've got no idea what can be stopping it, because basically the oil's going from the barrel to the pump and straight into the tank. I I think that's everything on this.